Winter Creek is a new residence on a truffle and cattle farm in Trentham, Victoria, Australia. The house is in a field surrounded by mature pine trees that create a striking context for the home. A large floating roof covers an open living area that feels very connected to the site, whilst intersecting with a shorter black box-like form that provides a more intimate bedroom wing. The project responds to its unique context and emphasizes connection to site through spaces that feel intimate and protected in the bedroom wing and expansive and open in the living zones. The success of the project was due to a collaborative design process between Sense of Space, Studio Tom, and the owner.